Many Australian women are aware condoms stop the spread of sexually transmitted diseases, but fewer are making their partners use them. While it's been proven condoms are effective in preventing or passing on infections, nearly 70% of Australian women aren't using them, according to a study by Moments Condoms led by YouGov. Researchers questioned 1,000 Australian women aged between 24 and 35 on their attitudes towards sexual health, and in particular buying and using condoms. The findings showed a third of those surveyed said they have never been tested for STI, and more than a third revealed they'd had unprotected sex in the last month. The figures are especially sobering when you consider 67% of women who don't use condoms don't believe they are at risk of contracting STI. Though this might be the prevailing belief, new data from the Kirby Institute shows rates of some sexually transmitted infections are on the rise. The Kirby Institute report states that gonorrhea, previously rare in young, urban heterosexuals, has risen to 63% in the past 5 years. Additionally, figures showed rates of infectious syphilis had also significantly increased, with rates highest among those aged between 25 and 29 years. One of the key reasons women cited for not buying condoms is embarrassment and fear they'd be judged. Speaking to the ABC, Associate Professor Martin Holt, who co-authored the UNSW's annual report of trends in behavior, said it was important to visit your GP if you think you may be at risk. The massive problem with all of this stuff is that people can feel embarrassed or ashamed about talking about sexual health or admitting that they've been having casual sex, and that can delay them going forward for screenings. In the majority of cases everything is fine, and even if there is something, it can usually be easily treated, he said. Moments Condoms is calling on Australians to join the Moments movement to support young women to talk openly about protecting their sexual health and encourage them to make informed choices with confidence. The campaign will donate 5% of the retail price from every pack of the brand's condoms to the McGrath Foundation in support of women's health.